In this lesson, we're going to look at catalog creation. After completing this lesson, you should be able to describe the key concepts of catalogs and categories, explain how to create and edit catalogs, and describe how to assign catalogs. So let's start with an overview. Catalogs are an easy way to classify your items for business requirements. For example, you may create a catalog for e-commerce, and another one for winter sports, and a third one for off-season sales. The categories help you group items within the catalog together to help them break down into logical groups, like maybe office supplies, men's fashion, healthcare, gloves. Many of you probably have gotten a catalog, especially around Christmas, and inside there's different categories of items. Categories can be constructed into a hierarchy for easy navigation. For example, you can start with a healthcare category and then subdivide that into diet and nutrition. Easy for me to say. First aid, and then within first aid, you could break things down by first aid kits and gloves, masks, whatever makes good business sense in your world. The e-commerce catalog has multiple categories arranged in a hierarchy. So here we've got the gloves as one category, and you can have multiple types of gloves, if that makes sense. And within there, you have all the different individual gloves. The catalog category association allows you to have that parent-child relationship for your items. The item category assignment represents a relationship between the category and an item. You can define reference categories that is shared as a reference category from a source catalog. The leaf category is the lowest level category within the hierarchy. You can browse the categories, the categories that you add to the category hierarchy for the purpose of classification, and they do not have to have items, but it allows you to build that hierarchy. And then finally, the functional area rules. So there are seated rules that control the configuration and behavior of catalog that is created and assigned to the functional area. So if you're wondering what the heck does it mean by that, well, the functional catalogs, we create those and manage those from the functional setup manager using the functional area catalog task. And those have functionality for other places within the application, like inventory, purchasing. Product catalogs are created and managed in the product information management work area using the manage catalog task. So let's look at creating and editing catalogs. Let's hop out into the application and take a look. Next up is defining item catalogs. So you can create a catalog or create one in the hierarchy. In the manage functional area catalogs, you can see the catalogs that exist, plus you can create other item catalogs for business flows. So you need to create and assign catalogs as needed. Some of the catalogs you'll see are purchasing, inventory, planning, cost, order management, contracts, and product reporting. And you can create additional ones per your business needs. Just go into setup and maintenance, go to the manage functional catalog area, click on the create icon, and you can put it in your catalog. First, you need to pick the functional area, then you can give it a name, code, description, when it will be available. There are some seated rules in the functional area parameters and rules section. Each functional area can have catalog hierarchy. Just click on that and say create. You can create another one from there. When you need to edit the catalog, just come back in, click on the edit icon for the catalog, and you can drill down into the details and make the updates as required. The second tab down on the left is details tab. So if you want to make any changes to the description, add a image or update the image, you can do that there. Within the inventory items catalog, as you click down into the categories, when you get to a node that has items in it, when you click on that particular node, you can see the items that live in there or items that have been assigned. You can also, from the tab, export to a spreadsheet, complete the hierarchy for editing there. As an example, a customer may be using the UNSPC classification, so you can download the spreadsheet to your desktop, cut and paste the classifications into the hierarchy, and then upload that back into the system. You can also share the catalog content. You can copy it over, or you can reference it. So if you reference it, any changes you make in the parent will be visible to wherever you are using it as a reference. And lastly, let's talk about assigning catalogs. Many of the catalogs are used across the supply chain applications and are automatically assigned to an item by the default category within a functional catalog. Also, if no catalog is assigned to a functional area, the functional area is skipped in the automatic assignment. The automatic assignment process is triggered when one or more item attributes owned by the functional area are created and populated. For example, if you say something is a purchased item, then it's going to automatically go into the purchasing catalog. And that's a quick look at catalogs and categories, how to create and edit them, and how items are assigned. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.